find the entire system of if you own a vehicle, you should have everything in one app. So Vahan is that one app where you get everything, and it is also pollution ka solution, because we are, even though you have to drive a private vehicle, we are giving you ways how you can control pollution. So it's a very simple process. You put your vehicle number and you log in. You get to the home page where everything is in one place, and you have the PUC. Let's get into PUC. When you click the PUC, you get to the PUC homepage, which has the expiration date for your PUC, and if it is expired, you go to the renew now. You have a meter, which is also linked to your vehicle meter, and it tells you where you are right now. It also gives you an emission report, a monthly report for emission, and latest updates if the government has changed anything. We are going to the renew PUC. Now we have two options. You either go to a center and renew, or we have a doorstep service as well. Say you are selecting to go to a center and renew. So you select that, and then you get options as a map, and you can find what is the nearest location for a PUC center. You select any of them, you get to navigate, and that's how you go. That's the end. Thank you.
Nice, that was amazing. Could you guys talk a little bit about this journey? How did you arrive at this particular prototype? Your thought process maybe?
So the first initial idea was to control the amount of private vehicles, but as we brainstormed and tried to solve this, find the solution, banning or stopping of private vehicles was not the solution that we found. So after jotting down and bringing it down to simpler problems, so validation and mandate of PUC is mostly ignored in our country. Most, like 90% of bikes do not renew their PUC timely, and they are heftily fined. So this was something which was missing from the system, like how to get PUC certified. So we are filling in the gap for it.
Nice, well done. Labdi?
I'll talk about the entire journey, I think, because we started with a problem which was very wide. We want to solve air pollution, and then lots of ways, stop vehicles or opt for private or public vehicles, and that's a problem statement. And we thought how could we narrow down into one thing and try to solve that from a government service perspective. So we thought, like, let's get into one and dive deep into it. So PUC is where we reached.
Damn nice. Ulrich?
So when you visit the center, nearest center at any petrol pump, you will find the services of filling up a petrol, and also the PUC will be checked, and then you will have a green gate. You are saving the world from pollution.
Nice.
Yeah, so we knew we couldn't take away anything from the existing system. We couldn't ban cars, we couldn't try to force people not to use their personal vehicles. So we wanted to focus on something that was already existing and see how we could better improve it. And after trying to narrow down our initial problem area, we decided to focus on the PUC mandate, and yeah, this is what we came up with.
Awesome. Is there anything you would like to add more?
I hope people are serious about checking PUC and bringing pollution under control.
That's awesome.
Even if people are not, if the government imposes a stricter rule, like if it's a rule, then it's going to happen. Like if they say petrol milega hi nahi if you don't have your PUC done, so that's the idea, like forcing people, and then once people have a habit, they will do.
Awesome. That's brilliant. Give yourself a round of applause, please. Nice. Awesome. Well done, guys.